Welcome to Whiskey and Weapons Plink Off Round 2. I won't be shooting freehand this time. We set up about 36-37 yards. And it's the BSA R10 Mk2 versus the AirArms S410. Let's see how it goes.
On cameras. Right. Would you like to do a countdown?
We'll go on 3, yeah?
Yeah.
1, 3! Ready?
1, 3!
Go.
I just hit myself in the nose reloading.
And I would say that the BSA has toasted it.
Retribution.
You know what? I'm a kind man.
Man.
Oh, he pinks it again.
Can't believe I hit myself in the nose on the second reload there.
You might got the sticky one there, lad. It's sod's law, isn't it?
I bet there's been a bit of a...
It's going round, you just haven't hit it. Oh, I'm out.
Yeah, way out. Well, BSA toasted. It was
That's
a fair
one
game.
apiece now.
Yeah, one apiece. We'll have to revisit this one, I think.
Maybe we should do it at a bit further range, because we did it short range last time. We're at mid-range now, 36-37 yards. We'll try long range next time, eh?
Oh man. Oh, fuck, we're toasting yourself in the nose.
Did you proper smack yourself in the nose and knock yourself for 6?
Down that way. So, what you're saying here is it was doing what now?
Try the other side.
Was it a bit unfair? Oh, what? That's so unfair.
Wait, it didn't do that before, it wasn't that far back.
Oh yeah, I see catching the moss is flipping.
Oh, it's not moss, it's expanding foot.
It's expanding foot, no wonder I didn't win. Not only did
No wonder did you not win. You weren't anywhere near.
Not only did I hit myself in the nose, you were cheating by putting expandy foam
Oh
in the
yeah,
way.
cheating. You're some boy. I tell you what, we'll do it again and I'll
We will,
toast you. Whiskey and Weapons. Fine work if I do say so myself. Probably the old BSA.
As soon as that video went up, he was like, we need to redo this.
I cannot be having that. Yeah, you got 36 yards.
36 yards. That should make for quite a nice video. Thanks for watching.
We'll be back next time when the R10 Mk2 toasts the AirArms S410 once again.
Thanks,
Cheers, guys.
Bye.